The Kenwood fully automatic washing machine E4 error code is a flood error that occurs when there's an issue with overflow, triggering the machine's anti-flood mode. This error is displayed when the washer is unable to expel excess water. Common causes of this error include a worn-out inlet valve, which regulates the amount of water entering the machine and can let in more water when worn out, leading to an overflow. A faulty pressure switch or sensor can also cause this issue, as debris or foreign objects can affect its communication with the water inlet valve, resulting in an overflow and potential flooding. Additionally, a malfunctioning control board, which is the primary component of the machine, can cause flooding or stop the cycle midway. To fix the E4 error code, several solutions can be applied. Replacing the inlet valve is one option. Start by unplugging the washing machine and removing the water connection. Then open the back panel to access the inlet valve. Before replacing the valve, test the continuity of the solenoid valves using a multimeter. And if the resistance is too low, replace the inlet valves. Loosen the inlet valves connections to detach the old unit. Slide in the new one and secure it to the machine. Replace the back panel and hoses, and test the machine. Another solution is to test the pressure sensors. Unplug the washing machine, remove the water connection, and remove the pressure switch and tube, which is usually located under the top panel attached to the frame in the front loader. Examine the pressure tube for debris and cracks, and if cracks are found, replace the tube. If not, use a multimeter to test the pressure switch's terminals, and replace the pressure switch if the resistance falls below the standard. Remember to use genuine parts, and once done, reinstall the pressure switch and tubes, and test the machine. Replacing the control board is also an option. Start by unplugging the washer, removing the control knob, and opening the control console. Take a photo of the old control board to capture the wire locations. Then replace the old control board with a new one, aligning and installing it properly. Replace the console. Plug in the machine. Calibrate.